What's going on, guys? David Falla here. Welcome to my channel. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I've been kind of posting just a lot of tutorials, but then I want to do a video kind of talking about something that I'm very excited about, and that is the Andis Envy Li. This is, to me, it's one of the best cordless clippers on the market. So one of those things that many clipper companies are doing now is introducing these amazing cordless clippers, right? So pretty much this is the one that I got sent by Andis. I'm part of the Andis Nation, so you guys should know that by now. So this is why I receive cool Andis stuff, right? So we're gonna unbox this machine today, and also what we're gonna do, we're gonna zero gap the Andis Envy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. I think this is something that many of you have been asking me for, I don't even know how long. And honestly, I hadn't done it to mine yet, because I was like, you know what, I kind of want to leave it the way it is, and then after, when I get another one, then I definitely would zero wrap it. Now that I have a second one, we're gonna do it. So to start, this is the box. This is the Andis Envy Li, but this is like a special edition. It's the Andis Nation Special Edition. It has a different skin. So let's start with what the box brings, and then we look at the machine. So pretty much on the box, you know, it tells us exactly what type of blade it has. It comes with a bevel blade, and also it comes with all the guards from Andis. Something that's very surprised about is that it comes with a new half and the 1.5, which Andis never had it before. I feel like Andis didn't need it, but I mean, now that it comes with it, I'm super excited because I want to see how they perform, and I want to see what else I can do to be able to, like, you know, get those fades on a more efficient way. I think these guards are gonna help. It's gonna help me. They're gonna help a lot of people. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the box. On the inside, there's only some of the, you know, like the paperwork. So we don't need that, and then that's it. That's what we have here. So inside here we get the guards. I'll say I'm super excited. These are not the magnetic guards, unfortunately, but still they are the, you know, it has the 1.5 and the half, which I'm very excited about, because I think, how I said, this is something new that Andis never had. So I'm excited about this. And this right here, this is the machine. See, I love the skin. My favorite colors are actually blue and orange, so I'm super excited about that. I kind of don't want to use it just because it looks so nice. But yeah, you can see, you know, it says to fully, please charge it before you start using it. So this is something that it's very important that you always charge your clippers, your cordless clippers, before you start using them for the first time. It's also something that's going to help you with the battery life. It's don't let it discharge completely, because this is going to affect the battery. Lithium batteries get affected by this, so just make sure you keep it charged. Like every time, you know, every time that you feel like it's getting to like 70, like to 50%, then just put it on the charger and charge it. It comes with a blade protector. You can see it comes with a bevel blade. This is my favorite type of blade, to be honest with you, just because it's round, so it allows me to do the C motion easily, you know. And it also obviously has the lever to go up and down. So if you guys can see, the blade is not, it's not like, you know, it's not zero gap, you know, it doesn't come zero gap. So some of you might have problems erasing some skin lines. Sometimes I have problems, so I have to use the Supra with the detachable to erase lines, right? So, you know, that's what we're gonna fix right now. So how you can see here, I have my other Envy Li, the one that I've been using. You guys have seen it before. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually zero gap this one, and I'm gonna leave this one just as it is, just because I say I like using this type of blade better, the bevel blade. But this one is I'm gonna change the blade. Reason for it is that this one cannot be zero gap completely, just because the way the blade is not, you know, so it's never gonna be zero gap complete. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove this blade, and we're gonna add a fade blade to it, which I heard really good things about it. I've never done it before, so this is gonna be something new for you guys and me, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. So every time that you zero gap a clipper, there's two things that are very important. Obviously, you gotta make sure that you are like completely like zero gap. You gotta look, you know, from the sides and make sure that, you know, like the bottom teeth, the cutting blade is not really overlapping the top one, because then you're gonna cut a climb, right? That's the first thing that you need to make sure. The second thing is that you go ahead, turn on the clipper, and you put it right here on your right here, and make sure that it's not too sharp on any of the corners. And that's it. That's after that, you if you can check, because right here is very sensitive, it will be kind of like similar to what the neck is. So you want to make sure that, you know, it's not too sharp that it's gonna kind of cut somebody, right? So right now, like, I feel like it's perfect. Actually, I kind of feel like one side, this side might be a little bit sharp if I press it hard, but not really. I think it's good. I think it's just the type of blade. These blades are super sharp. This is a surgical blade, so you have to be very careful with them. Make sure that when you use it, you kind of use like a more up and down movement, and not like more like a C motion that we usually do, like I usually do for fading, right? So I use more like a C motion. This I have to do more up and down, just because it's super sharp, it's flat, you might get it like stuck in the pores, and it's gonna make the person bleed. So you gotta be very careful with this. With this machine, the only drawback that I have was that it couldn't erase all the skin lines, right? Like it just, for some reason, the blade is not meant for that, I guess, just because it wasn't like a fade blade. So now that problem is going to be solved, just because, you know, we switched the metal blade on this one, so it's going to be maybe a little bit easier now to fade, just because of the fade blade. Hopefully that's the way it is. I'll definitely keep you guys posted about this and see how everything went with it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, so that you guys get all the notifications when these videos drops. Many of you message me all the time telling me like you guys are not getting notifications about what, you know, like the videos. And then, you know, like for some reason, it's sometimes YouTube doesn't send them, right? So it is what it is. So you don't forget to click there. And that's it. Don't forget to give it a like if you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you guys think. Do you like the Andis Handpiece? Is this one of the best clippers in your opinion? Or no? I would love to hear from you. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one.